Hi everyone, this is Cynthia and Jordan
Hi.
from It's Pouring Paint. Today I am going to pour on this decorative vase. I love it because it's big. It's the biggest thing I've poured on, and I'm going to do a dirty pour for this because it only makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this cup up with the sparkly blue, some black, some cream in there, and some bronze. And we'll be right back because this takes a little bit of a process. You don't need to be mixing or see me mix it. I'll show it to you when I'm done. See you in a minute. Hi. Okay, so I poured the paints into the glass now. I got a little dirty by doing it, but it looks pretty cool. I want to see how it's going to turn out. So here we go. Let's do this. Well, I'm loving the colors already. Just going to take a quick look. That seems to be doing really well with coverage for the most part. Oh, I can see some of that cream in there. It's going to show up soon. Let's keep going. Oh. Alright, we are finishing up. I wanted a little bit more bronze on the top here. So I think I'm going to add some. It is one of my favorite prominent colors, so let's just get some ribbing in here. And I don't see any blue. Sometimes when you're pouring these into cups, they get lost in the formulation of it all. So I do see a spot that needs to be handled. So I'm going to do that. Done. Got that. Any more over there? No, it looks good. So now to create a bit of effect, I'm going to take some of this. Can you see all the colors in there? I'm going to lightly push these colors off the edge, so now they will become a little bit more prominent. Just come over there. Oh, I'm liking that. Okay, so I'm going to see how that turns out. I like that it's got a little bit more blue in it. The bronze I can't really see again, but if you ever have, some people torch air bubbles, but with acrylic, normally the air bubbles will pop themselves out. But if you do see some, I just usually give it a light blow with my breath, and they just pop right out. All right, so again, I wanted a little bit more bronze in there, so I'm going to start some ribbons. there. The great thing about doing this is that you can customize it to see the different colors you want. You have to work quickly with acrylic. It does dry fairly quickly, but you can still manipulate the colors. Like I'm seeing a wonderful, wonderful set of bronze in there, and I just want to put another wonderful set of this blue. I do love the blue. I don't want to overdo it, but I want them to be, the blue and the bronze, to be a little bit more prominent than the cream in this. Just because of the nature of the color, it is beautiful, truthfully. There. Well. Something like that. Now I'm liking it. That's nice. So that's going to continue to drip off. It's going to have some of those colors in it. Maybe you want to see all around it. See what you think. I do love those colors. They are very shimmery. I'm very happy with it. Looks beautiful. So we'll come back in a little bit, let it drip off a bit, and show you the end results. Thank you for watching. Hi there, this is Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. Just wanted to show you the end result of this vase. I just did put a first shot of yeah, it's not focusing, of sealant on it, and oh, look at that, now it's focused. Just beautiful. So yeah, I'll probably put 2 or 3 more of these spray sealers on. What I use for non-food items is this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover, and it really does work well. Brings everything to a nice shine, as you can see. And yeah, so we are going to post the other glasses shortly. They have to be sealed with a DuraClear high gloss, because everyone, if you see anything and you want, it's just not focusing. You want, oh, there it goes, AP. It means approved product, and it is non-toxic. So I use this stuff for anything that's going to be food related, glasses, stuff like that. Anything that maybe be put to their mouth. And I use that for vases, or artistry and stuff like that. Okay, so I hope you like it. I think it's beautiful. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.